Hi friends, I am Raju and this is your video number 7. We will see in this video class. In the class, we will cover what is class and why why is it used and a structure of the class. So we will cover this point. So let's start. And in the first line, in we will start. Let's start a class. So, in your mind, first question will be arise: what is class and why we will use class? Basically, let's take an example. If you have water and you have to put that water in your bottle and we have to put inside the fridge. Let's make a fridge. I tell you, yeah, I am giving you a cup of water, and I tell you that you have to cool this water. Then what will you do? You have to freeze or you have to cool that water. So we need to put that water into the bottle and you can hold inside the fridge. Basically, we cannot put water inside without bottle. So it works like bottle. Basically, when we will write the code and we will put into the server, basically we'll take a condition if you write some codes or write some programs. So let's make a program. Class main, and inside this line some codes, and I tell you you have to put into the server. So basically what will you do if you want to put into the server? So we need to a class file. We cannot put to the server in this form. We need to class file for putting into the server. Basically we will declare class by the help of class keyword. If you want to declare a class, so we need to write a class keyword. And basically in the class is a keyword. It means which word has been installed already in Java. It means already present in the Java. It is called your keywords or syntax. So we will write class and your class name. So we will write my class and here your main function. This is your basic program. So for declaring a class, we need to write this keyword. If you have to identify the class, then see the case or leader of the class. If you want to declare a class, then we will write that class name into that first letter of the word should be in uppercase. let's see class my CL. This is your this word letter, first letter capital, M capital, and here C capital. It means if you have to write or declare a class, so write first letter of the class capital, capital. This C will capital. If you want to add one more word, then that word first letter should be in capital. So capital word. And this is your basic structure of the class. And how is it work for putting? If I say go and take water for me, and I want to tell you go and bring have water. So what will you do? First you will give this is you and this is me. And I tell you I want water, then what will you do? First you will go to your fridge point. You will open this fridge door and take a water bottle. So class works like this water bottle. If you want to store water, we cannot store water without bottle or any type of shape. So we can say class works like a structure of Java, and we can say as the template of Java. Template. Before building a house, you need to draw your basic structure of your home. So class works like this structure. Without a structure, we cannot write any program and put into the server. Let's now we will talk about object. So let's start, and now we will see about object. Let's take a condition. I have written a program in another file. So class my CL1, and there is some codes and this, and I will write one more class program my CL2, and I want to use that code, or I want to some details of that part of that class. So what will we do? Basically we will take in the form of object. So when we write this type of structure, it means we will write the class name myCL, and we can write as you wish but in your small letter, because object has been declared in small letter. So object 1, and after that we will write new, and now we will write myCL again, and constructor. We will see in previous video about constructor. Basically we will study in this video object. So this is your object. It means that data which present which is present in this class, now it is also available in this object, because when we will write this new mycl, then this code executes and it's create a compress shape of this class, and this compressed file is called your object. If I tell you you have a balloon, its size radius is 5 meter, or let's take 100 meter, and you have to give that balloon to your friend, and your friend is away from you 10 kilometers. It means you and your friends 10-kilometer distance, and you have to go this point to this point. So how? What will you do? First you need to compress that balloon, because without compressing this balloon we cannot go to reach this point to this point. So what should I do? First we will compress this air, and when we will compress this balloon, its size will be smaller because it is bigger. So we cannot carry that balloon, and it is easy to carry. So we need to compress. So object has been used for compress file in the compress form, because when we compile the class, your class file has been created. It means if we will compile this program, your mycl2 dot class will be created, and this is your object. So thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.